This is my first presentation for week 1 about the OSI model. My name is Wee and George. This is my outline OSI model and what is the OSI 7 layer and why is it important. What is OSI model? OSI model is an open system interconnection and it has a 7 layer that a computer system used to communicate over the network, and OSI was introduced in 1983 by representatives of the major computer and telecom companies, and it has 7 layers. And what are the OSI 7 layer are application. What is the application? Application is an human-computer interaction layer, and presentation is ensure that data is in a usable format and is where data encryption occur. And 5 is a session. Session means a session layer maintains connections and is responsible for controlling ports and sections. And number 4 is a transport layer. Transport layer is a transmit data using transmission protocols including TCP or UDP. And 3 layer is the network layer. A network layer decides with a physical part the data will take. And a data link layer. Data link layer is to define the format of the data on the network. And the final layer is a physical layer. Physical layer is to transmit raw bit streams like 1001 and over the physical media. And why is it important? It's very important for network device manufacturers and networking software vendors, and it's also important for users and operators of the computer networks. For manufacturers, it can create a device and software that can communicate with products from any other vendor, allowing open interoperability. And then it defines which part of the network their product should work with, and it communicates to users which network layer their product operate. For example, only at the application layer. For user and operators, and it determines the required hardware and software to build their network, and it can understand and communicate the product followed by the components communicating across the network. And then it can perform a troubleshooting, and we can use a troubleshooting by using the OSI model and by identifying which network layer is causing an issue, and we can focus after that. We can focus effort on that layer. So thank you for your attention.